Hi everyone, in this video we'll take a quick look at the Jumbie EA trading on gold that we would be creating signals for on the Mql5 marketplace that can be copied to your own trading account. So we will be trading on the H1 time frame and we'll be using a risk factor of 0.5. This is to reduce risk and still have a decent profitability. So if we run the backtest really quick, we'll take a look at the results. This robot isn't designed to trade every single day. Sometimes it may only take a couple trades a month, and there may be months that it may not trade at all based on the market conditions. So you can see here we started on the 20th of July and in 2021, and it goes all the way to the 10th of July 2023. This is the equity curve. Now, the way the bot is designed, there are entry and exit criteria, so it doesn't use a stop itself for the exit. However, we do have an emergency stop in it in order to reduce risk. Right? For the results, you can see here we made over 200%. with a 15.4% drawdown, and we have 89% profitable trades. So this would be the actual settings that we'll be using for the gold signal. In the future we may go to a more aggressive signal, which would be using the standard 1 risk factor, and with that you could see now we have over 1000% growth on the account with 30.36% drawdown. So this is basically it. If you have any questions, you could leave a comment below for the full description of the trading strategy and what we would recommend with regards to brokers, VPS, the account balance, the leverage, and so on. You could check the description on the Mql5 marketplace under the signal itself. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.